Hi, and it's Claire Maxfield here from Claire Maxfield Image. So this afternoon I knew it was about to start raining and I figured I'd better get my laundry in off the line. And I know that I fold my sheets in a way that some people think is kind of different, maybe a little bit strange. I just thought I'd share it with you. So the top sheets, as normal, they just go over the line, nice and flat. And as I'm taking them off, I keep folding them and folding them until, as you'll see in a moment, I can strip it off the line and fold it up without having to drop it on the ground. It makes it really easy. If I've had them on the line nice and neat, I don't even have to bother ironing them. They're nice and crisp. Now, it's the fitted sheet that everyone struggles with. And I used to do this on the bed. And it was when I did my last lot of sheets, I went, hang on, if I put it on the line as I would on the bed, which is face side up and with all the elastic on the upper side, and you'll see as I'm folding it in, I've folded it from the one side across to the other. It's the sheets on the bed or on the line as if it was on the bed, and I can just fold it whilst it's hanging, get it all neat, straighten it up a little, and then take it off, and look, my fitted sheets are all flat and easy to put in the basket. And then depending what mood I'm in, I just grab my pillowcases, fold them up. This bit's getting a little bit tedious, isn't it? Pop them in the laundry basket. Now, here's something I do occasionally. I'm finding now that I'm living in a very small unit, it does help. I used to just fold my sheets up as they are, and then I went, oh, hang on, it takes up such a small space. It's just as easy to pop all of my sheets into my pillowcase. It does help though if I don't have my napkins, which are also on the line, caught under my wrist. But it's nice and easy just to drop them back into the basket, pop them back in, and then manhandle those sheets. Well, just slide them in to the pillowcase. And then once they're in the pillowcase, I know I've got my top sheet, my fitted sheet, and my other pillowcase all together. And they just go into a shelf and neatly away. So I hope you have enjoyed watching how I pop, how I do my sheets. And if you like this, want to see more, hit the subscribe button. See you later.